kular hakan ikasni. Bangan tray hok yaki kamjong. Hok do.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpenda ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki e-materials kindon ru ki mock test ban penkrai api na kabenda ka NEET.
Ha kum gani ka juk bagi priu ki juk sultanat bha ban pelut por daki kinta ha ka social media kum ha ka bapet reels Facebook YouTube bat ki wei Henry nakabenta ubas ngain lang marwen u pendan kam e ya kapor ka ba ulan ha ka ba pendep ya ka course bapher ling ba ka integrated government online training Karma Yogi ubas ngain lang marwen udai ubalatre menta kum u research officer ha ka planning department jongka office u deputy commissioner ka East Giant Hills district ha ka jiakaran barka Batisi TV hadien balawai ka jialang pli ya ka reflection first annual conference bala pelong daka mati ha ka khadartri ujilio arja phunrio uba marwen ulai thu ba hadu menta ulala ban pendap hadu laispa teliki kurs nadu ubanai nailo risau arja rapsan namar ka jingpindon kam bha ya ka por menstep shoban litre but ondala wan phai na jingtre
ka peng jonga ka dei shingan lang marwen ngasong ngasa po maulai umsing makunro sinong try jonga kali na pending myong merang Eastern West Hills par netray kumu research officer jong planning department government of Meghalaya posting ha office jong deputy commissioner East Giant Hills Klirian journey jonga bat kani ka I got Karma Yogi platform asdang ban on board yaladi lingba kamati hak senem arja alporsan lalu benai September Oktober bad lalu basdang hi kadai ka jing sutrat jonga banlan ki ki batamai banlan ki new things kanang ba kala banirap ya ka kam ka jam ka jonga kam tam ya kata ka bangi ong ka personal growth and development ya kan ka journey ka jonga ka jing puli jonga da ka puli daladi kabangi ong kata ka self-paced learning haka I got Karma Yogi kalairap shibun bha haki competencies prepare kata ka behavioral competencies domain and functional kalairap ru ban change ban shape yaka competencies kamtam ka knowledge skills and behavior knowledge skills and attitude kabangi jiakran nakapor shakapor habangi le training hapo mati te kumno ngapoy hadu laispa tali menta ki courses ki bangalale ki bon bha ki parlok ki colleagues ki jonga ki parlok ki bangam pat juwe kendu menuru aba ki tips phangkene ki kali nanga kumno phila banle with all the jingbun kam dam ha ka post ka jonga kamde ka post ka baduna kam lagi tight ba te kawik advantage ka banga ngayo kalong ba ngasa sa jengai na kala kayeng kasam gajonga asa tangoroi ha district East Giant Hills district bat katu ko por gabangayo min step kandian bat ka por gabangayo janmit hadien balawai tray don ki por bangasa ka weekends ngale kamno ta ka por te na use ya ka I got Karma Yogi bangan learn new things not only for my work and for my personal growth and development kunjo te as time goes by ngangam smuthu ba ngalapoy hadu shispa arspa mentala poy laispa tiki courses bar ngala mentoy shibun nashko ban share ka way ka jingmentoy ka bakraw ba hakabay day bar kalni ka learning jonga na kalni ka Karma Yogi na try ho benai me ngam kalma benai me ne benai April kadan kani ka learning week jong ka sarkar India lingba ka capacity building commission kabangi khalt ka lingba ka I got Karma Yogi platform kabangi khalt ka sadhana sapta lai por kumba pradu spusni bangin pendap katukni ki course but hakani ngalayo lat ban pendap a number of courses but ngalayo ru artli ki batch but ngashko ban share tanggawi ka course nang ni kata ka ba ka course ka ba nga enroll li apo ka Google kamde ka ba ai na po Karma Yogi ka ka marketplace ki ong ka I got marketplace kamod kani ka I got platform ka SEO bangin le ki courses outside the platform tinga enroll le dia po ka Google ki ailing ba ka Coursera platform but kerteng joni ka course kedai Foundation of Cybersecurity te lada ki bun ki course on cybersecurity apo I got karmayogi ki bangalale andrai kani ka bahai Google ka kamlong exceptional ka kamlong very ka bahaplat bangi kamtami ki government servant and ki government officers bagian tips pangani course so ilan pang kita ki CIA triads ki framework jong ki cybersecurity pat kalayarap sibun yang kabayadai kumlongan penyat ki kam ki jam ki banganga training kasni but in my personal life also kayarap namar mentangi em ka pertai scam te banlat ni kita ki scam kim dai tangi ki individual and ki scam ki dari government offices satu ki documents ki balong confidential te abang ayo kumni ngambu tang hadi nga ikairu ki staff la jong encourage you ki can learn self-paced taladihi agani platform but all the government employees out there lani kini employees jongka sarkar Meghalaya ki bayo lan ban on board iladi agani platform encourage you continue to learn new things continue to update yourself kanang ba pinla pan try ka kam ka jam ko jongpi balaran kanu ka changes sa technology lani akorkom try kam jong ka sarkar penem long shadien ne penem sha left behind and pen long kumno yong above others pat pilaru ban hikai yakiwei te tangkini ki kentien ki banga kwa ban share shabarok ki basngap yakani ka jinga kran jongi ki courses apo karmayogi hi ki long free for all who are onboarded hakatuka platform kidon ki courses pat ki ba ka karmayogi hi ka seo na kabanta jongi ki bala onboard kum ka course na po Coursera na Google na po ki institution shabar jong kanika karmayogi platform tangbangi ki bala onboard hang tungim na kaman seo di ki course te ki courses hi ki buon ba umday tang cyber security ko mga ongna ki courses on management series office procedures training on elections benta kitang shu training on elections shu kadan nangta kidon ki courses haka BNSS ki juvenile justice act nangta kidon ki courses haka baydai bat ki artificial intelligence use of chat GPT nangta ki courses ki bangalale kidai kita baru kali di course ki bangalale apa ka karmayogi nangta ki courses ki baydai baka health rukidan ki baydai baka education rukidan national education policy ni akran menta 2020 katuru kadan nangta kan ko ka course ka ba very interesting kali gani ka gati shakti it's a very long hours of courses around 12 to 13 hours of course ka duration kadai but it's very good course nalale katuru nangta karan ka course hakabedai with urban affairs ni urban planning and all from various line departments from almost all the departments seeing yo ban le kini ki course ki ban yarap ki government employees government officers ban trekam hakakam ka jongki bar kumjuru da kidon kam ban cha transfer shakowi ka department especially for kada ki ba la ban cha transfer na kowi ka department chuko department kini ka karmayogi ka yarab ha ban cha train ki okay see Yong ba nadu 25 ngasdang September not even 1 year just imagine ni kanupor ni pelut page reels like anta for students ki shuplut por larafi while he studies prepare ni pelut por bah ka page reels ki shorts ki YouTube videos Facebook di count bahai kita do some statistics hang tu penlap but if you spend 3 hours per day on reels and other ki video ki pamdaran kam ki shemi ki jingkhan larafi pulin online kanta hasni an ki ko sapo karmayogi kidi kiba sitang kenta 10 minit 4 minit rudan kiba khasan minit rukidan nangi pi kiba 10 minit rukaran gawe ka course ka bangala puli ngalalingo tangba kadan ka course ka bahadu 60 seconds kadan ka course ni haban puli ya gawe ka PDF pan ni haban le exam bikani kita like kenta hakashismi you can do around 3 to 4 courses te kanus ni haka handri bana ka hisnam dan handri bana shis pak prapau tigidon gisi ke bangale bon Saturday or Sunday or holidays so actually 300 for 10 months is too less actually and re namaga jingbon kam yimyo banle kambon ngide keren spang ke inspiration ni dekat jing I museum yang bangan puli hang ni ngatrai buan ki ba yo inspiration nangaru dang meneng ngang keren ba diwe ba la inspired ba nga kata ka jing rang bajonga ban study hi kadai nadu bangadang long khana school hi smart casting ban puli ban ayu te kajulong jong breu ban dala trepat ki stop na ban puli tambah ngam kwa ban sha ilam kata ngakwa ban update bela di whether la ka technology ni ka health ni ka education ni any part of our life ngakwa hi ban update te ngasko ba kadon kam yang bangan update man kapor te ngayo ay kani ka platform ngamla ban training syamati man kapor lay ka sarkar ring ba I got platform kai kalat bengen le dala di so why not so that is that self motivation, it comes from my desire kajing trang jonga bangan update di bangan yo ke bathamai bang aingu u blairu u bala penla nga bu ya kata kamre ta kajing la jonga ndai di blai try kan rat bala penla nga ban yo kum kata ka motivation dan ya keren pang kata ka training offline and online and which one is better I think ngimla are ban ong ba which one is better mo nama ka syong u training hi ada training hi udang kata ka self paced learning am ada ule syong ta ka online and then he can do some research by himself kala biang hi tangba henry one thing jong ka offline training pat ka kadon ka tu ka personal touch ka interaction baki master trainer ki yo any doubts clear hi hang tu henry ka offline training ka interaction ka kamduna kan dian te hamati hi so far ngalawan kumba pra ni kandai tli training in the span of 1 year minta kini ki training ki bang haban lej kidon ki training ke ba nga bendapan hi bangan yo balik training ka dalang ya kan sepang ka offline training jong ka mati hi ha ka jing smo jonga kamli bandu ka bala ali ban penbuan jing sha namar ba ka offline training kadon la ka jong ka test la jong ka test ka online training kadon la jong ka test titeng ha ka online training video ka motivation sometimes ma Nda ka offline training pat nolo ba filale jang tu pi kendu di perlok yo mensim lang but kaya rab ha ban tei kata ka growth and development ka jong pi marwai ladang ha ban jubab kata bale kidan kam ki employee jong ka sarkar ban training ha kidan kam ba namar ba kapor ka kala ka teknologi ka kala karo kompanya ikam ka kala wat ki skim sarkar ki kala ni prepare ki procedures ki prepare la juara man kapor ki bathamai a juara na ka sarkar ki jing berkat ki bathamai ka kompanya bathamai te kumno kini ki staff ki bala trisan chposnam kin upgrade ide kada amdan kata ka training kumno kin tip ya kata haka hikisnam beradab kumba sausan snam menchua ni sedang ya ka proposal don kam training proposal teniam te menta ka sarkar ka sedang itu ki voucher apa ka sarkar limba ka treasury te don kam hi ka introduction ka orientation ni ki ban I training ki ban chibon ki initiative jong ka sarkar don kam ba ka training ban start ki nong train sarkar ban start ki employees hamba ka governance ka ba ka delivery of services bangi provide syaki pat ba ka long smooth pat ka long within the stipulated time can ngatrai dadangi crunch pangka expansion jeng mati ngatrai ka Garo Hills region ka dan kam ni pa jangan namar ba many of my friends unju hi ki employees na sate ki bari pelok jangabat ki bom deiru dagi don training shene ki kwa banwan tang ba ki daki wan shene ki wan tang 1 day training ru ki don kaman spend at least 3 days for traveling te apa Garo Hills region hi ngatrai ni don kam hi ban bu ko ka training center ya yaki alis ki Garo brothers and sisters ki jongi kan nga kadan ko ga course menta namar bangadon ha DC office te ngayo shibun ki kamram hagabe debat election te dang hakini ki tayo baladeb ka ni ka I got ka introduce ko ka modules ko ka course on election kadai yaki returning officers tang ba barok hat ki bayade bat kakam election nadu ki model code of conduct ki nomination all those things kadon hakini ka modules jong ni ka training te mentang kadang don hakini ka course on election training ka bakhat we kanta Te ngalale kata kakus minta sans ni ai ngampala ban pendap nomor hakajing bintam ma tingale at least one modules dalam day man kasniru long at least one module hising yang pendap bat te ngampala ban pendap mintala sau sans ni ngelas dang kata kali kakus ke badang pending minta ban ngatry in the next 3-4 days ngalala ban pendap with the weekends ma hakali ka self peace ka gini ki kus ki bala don lupa hak aigon kemudian ada lupa hang tu around 3 to 4,000 courses menta gidan hak aigon kamdan ka time limit ma pila ban le anytime hamba andre gidan ki test pat gidan ki test ki ba pila ban attempt tang license gidan ki ba khasan gidan ki ba khandai sin most of the test kidai 19 times pila ban attempt again la fail te haka ibayadai ba ka time frame ba aya ban pendap ki course pat akan national learning week ki sejbu kata kibo ban pendap ki course reus ni kibo ban pendap ki course suppose ni te kadon sa kawai pat ka time frame ka balabu dai administrator jonga shubu ma ila bu ban pendap ki ka course ila assign ka course jonga reu banai lani lai banai lani shitayo kemudian ngah ban pendap ya kata ka course hapok ka time frame kenang ba ngala banyo ki points ki bahe hapok ka karmai di platform ke jonga.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.